He's our head of sales and marketing.
Everybody, Joe DaGano. I have the privilege of being the sales and marketing manager for this company. These guys are pretty great to work with, as you've heard. If I can get this thing to do this, here we go. So our job is to sell and market the products that R&D invents and manufacturing makes. We get the word out, we get our brand out worldwide, synonymous with performance and quality is our goal. And frankly, it's a lot of fun. We're involved with race teams, racing, worldwide, national championships. I'm a little off subject here, but our products basically have top-level professional race teams go faster with our clutch than without it. And for the recreational riders, we make riding easier and more enjoyable. And that has been the success of our products. About a year ago, we attended a program that the Tech Help, the District Export Council, and U.S. Commercial Service puts together called Idaho Export Excellence. And it's a 3-month workshop that we did, and we learned the best practices for exporting as an American company. We learned the resources available to us. And I liken it like going into a library, a big library, and no one's there. And you know a little bit about the Dewey Decimal System, but you're really not sure how to navigate through all this information on how to put it to your use for what you're up to in your company. Well, enter Idaho Export Excellence, right? You get a guide that brings you through, and they take you down this aisle, and they pass you off to this agent that is an export expert in this area, and guides you through that even further. So it's an amazing program that really has taken our 8 years. We previously exported for 8 years, and it took our exports to a whole new level. So, you know, I could go on and on, but based on results, the program is a winner, and we were awarded the 2012 SBA Exporter of the Year, Rekluse. And a lot of that just goes back to the strength of that program and the community and the resources available here in Idaho to support companies like us to export. Okay, we're an American manufacturing company. We use innovation and technology, and there's a worldwide demand for our products. And here's some facts about us. We've built an international distribution network that serves 41 countries, 20 distributors, and 10 international dealers, I'm sorry. In 2012, 29% of our sales are exports. That's just under 1/3 of everything that is made here ships out of our borders. Really proud about that. Not Chuck? Our exports have grown 37% in 2012 as compared to 2011. Now granted, we have been exporting for 8 years. To get that type of growth 1 year after our program of Idaho Export Excellence is incredible. 37% increase. Did you know that less than 1% of U.S. companies export? I learned that. And did you know that of that 1% export to more than one country? We export to 41 countries. So, unlike other companies, we export our products and not our jobs. We're doing our best to, equalize the U.S. trade deficit and really inspire other companies to do the same. It's really possible. I could go on, but I'm going to keep it brief here. My point is, okay, and thanks, is that we didn't do it alone. And to quote our vision statement is that, I better read it, together we are more than we could be alone. And so thanks goes to, first, our Rekluse team, our sales team for providing excellent customer service and technical support to our domestic customers and international customers, especially when we mess up. Like, we don't always get it right. Our team is gracious and unbelievable with our customers. Our marketing team for having 4 national championships, one with Rekluse products, and 1 world championship in 2011 alone, and getting the great word out. R&D for making unique and innovative products that really sell themselves. It is so easy to sell a Rekluse product. There is nothing else like it, and it delivers performance. One ride is all it takes. And the magazine awards that we've gotten, the motorcycle industry awards we've gotten, Core EXP, Product of the Year. Core EXP, Product of the Decade. So thank you to R&D. Assembly and shipping team. These guys lead us in continuous improvements and deal with intricate logistics daily. And they do it with great spirit, these guys. They really do. Manufacturing team, for ensuring that we are a profitable company. Everything that Dwayne is talking about ensures that we are a profitable company. An American-made company is really the bottom line. So thank you for being an American-made company and remaining one, manufacturing team. And then to our community of support, which is really vast and touching. When I look out and see the faces that have supported us immensely. First is our dealer network. The local dealers here, as Sean mentioned. Thank you for believing in us, because we weren't so cool when we first started. We made a lot of mistakes, and these guys have stuck with us. Thank you. Our distribution partners, who really take the passion and the drive for our company and push it worldwide, way beyond what we ever could have done on our own. Boise State University, for their knowledgeable and passionate professors that have guided us time and time again, and staffed us with ready-to-work interns. We have an incredible intern department here at Rekluse. Thanks to BSU. Idaho Department of Commerce for their vast support and guidance, and there are so many of them. They're like a shadow. You turn around, there's your shadow. There's someone from this U.S. Department of Commerce. And then U.S. Commercial Services, Amy Benson, who has mentored our company to bring our exports to a new level. Thank you. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Joe. That's 4 years now?
3 years.
3 years. Joe, I think, is the only Rekluse employee that's ever held a professional motocross license, correct? That's correct. I think so. Joe has a long history of being in the industry. So 24 years ago, I came to Idaho, and the #1 reason I wanted to come to Idaho is because I had heard Idaho is the best place in the world to ride an off-road motorcycle, and it truly is. And off-road motorcycling has been my passion since I was 8 years old. 10 years ago, I saw an opportunity to design this new clutch, and it wouldn't have happened without tech help and Steve Hatton. Actually, Steve initially said, I think this project's too big for us. Maybe you should try these other guys, and those guys sucked. So I came back, he hooked me up with Sean, and yeah, we